So hey guys, I'm Rohan. Welcome back to my video. So today is my final thesis viva and presentation. So I have to present my viva, and it is happening through Microsoft Teams app. So my external faculty, my internal faculty will gonna appear on this, and then I'll present my the research, the thesis that I wrote, and then they're gonna ask a lot of questions, and you have to answer that. And the worst part is, like, I'm just going through this kind of torture since I was in first year. My roll number in the whole department is 1. So can you just imagine a guy with a name starting with R has a roll number 1? No, my parents planned it so accordingly. I think I'm getting a call. It's there. So guys, I'm getting a call from my faculty, so I'm gonna start now, and you're gonna come with me and see. I'm just looking out for the best angle. So guys, it has started. It is looking something like this. So this is my thesis. So guys, right now the faculties are discussing how to mark them or something like this. People have not, all the students haven't come right now, so we're just waiting for them. And as I've shown you earlier also, this is my where's the front page? Just a second. This is my thesis. Xyla Health. It's a startup based out of Gurgaon. Basically, ma'am, over there, the main motto is to treat diabetic patient through online chat-based system to reduce the HbA1c of the diabetic patient, because we know that there are more than 210 million. And basically, at Xyla, we have a subscription-based diabetes management program. So in that, there are a lot of things. Basically, type 2 is a lifestyle disorder, right? Diabetes is a kind of problem that cannot be cured, right? But we can control it by changing and amending our lifestyles. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay. Please take care, ma'am. Please take care, sir. Sure. I'll just tell him. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Oh my God. Oh, they were asking so much of questions. But it went really good. So anyways, I'm making a vlog out of this. Exactly. So I'm making a vlog out of it. So guys, I'm talking to Tanya. She's asking me the questions. What kinds of question is asked. So yeah, you are on my vlog virtually. Well, chalo, all the best. Bye-bye. Bye. So done with my thing. Don't look at, guys, they did not ask me to switch on the camera. I was wearing this shirt for like since eternity. I was preparing, but it went well. 3 professors were there. It was amazing. And I'm done with my bachelor's thesis. Can you just imagine? We were freaking out for this since I don't know what, and it's just done. 12 minutes and done. I think you liked it, because there's a time lapse, because you don't want to see a 12-minute me just blabbering about diabetes, right? So yeah. So my viva part is done, but my friends are having the viva. So Arushi is there, Tanya is there, Arka Pratim is there, everybody is there. So my friends are still going on. I'm roll number 1, as I've told you, so I'm done. And I'm a free bird now. Yeah, I'm a free bird. So guys, this is my bitch Tanya. And so pretty Tanya.
It wasn't a quantitative or bioregulation process, quality analysis of the kind of water
blah 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 blah. Tanya, can you just stop? Tanya, shut up. You already got admit from Fordham University. What else do you need, girl? She speaks so fast. Just going. So guys, I have answered around 15 calls and texts, message, people asking that what are they asking, what is going on in the viva, because roll number 1 comes out of the class after viva and everybody hops on him or her. So that was the situation, but that's quite overwhelming also sometimes. So I was just answering everyone, that's why I was not shooting much. So yeah. I'm answering the 20th call of the day. Rule number one. So guys, as I told you, everybody was asking me about the Viva thing. So you can see I just answered a lot of them, and then my friend Arushi is asking. Yeah, I named her Arushi madam because she's very bossy and bitch. So yes, Arushi, you're a bitch, the best bitch I know. So she's asking kuch gadbad to nahi pucha. Then there was a call from a friend called as Kattu. Then Disha. Then Anjali was there. Then Tanya, Akshara, and another tons of calls. So this is the thing. If you are rule number one, you need to answer all these things. Yes, you cannot betray your friends. Yeah. So actually, I did answer a couple of people, and as you've seen, everybody. Another one. कैसा हुआ क्या पूछा. So yeah, this is a very normal thing for me, guys. I'm hearing this since last 4 years because of the rule number one thing. So yes, it is. Arushi is doing it. Okay. Very beautiful PPT. Very beautiful. Arushi, you did a good job. So guys, this is the outfit. Please don't see the glass, it's very dirty. I'm a tired ass and I don't clean my shit. So yes, it's a temple. I love you, God. Please give me good marks. Please. Yeah. So I'm wearing this shirt. I thought it would be a video call, but it wasn't a video call. It was just an audio. So I just got a good graphic black t-shirt. So and then I have my bum chins. That's basically our boxers, and yeah, it looks quite cool. Yes. So this was my messed up setup. This is my bed, and yeah, the people are still on. So finally guys, I'm just ending the vlog. So my thesis is done. Okay, so I have this thesis was for 10 credits, which I think most of the good Indian university has in the final semester. Yes, it was the biggest credit you can grab. Okay, so okay, let me tell you something. So I worked at Xyla Health. It's a diabetes management health consultancy. I got a job offer from there, so I was working there for my internship. So over there, I used to be a health consultant come business developer. So I used to counsel diabetic patients, and this was my project report, which is to so to assess the role of digital engagement in the reduction of HbA1c. HbA1c is the sugar level, amount of sugar present in diabetic patients. Yeah, so that's that. So to assess the role of digital engagement in reduction of HbA1c in patient with diabetes type 2 using chat-based medical and lifestyle intervention. So basically what we did was we used to change the habit, and we used to amend the lifestyles of the diabetic patients. So yeah, we did that in my internship. So yeah, I made a report out of it. A whole report. Yeah, I'm good at writing stuff. I've already published a couple of papers, and this was another my work. But yeah, I'm done with my thesis. Yes, as I was telling you that I still have to give 2 examination online starting from 10. Yeah, final year stuff. And yes, that's it. I'll be just going out from Amity in a month or something. Yeah, that's, oh my god, the gravity of this is so damn okay. Anyways, no emotion things, right? So yes guys, I'm done with this. Was a I don't know what kind of video it is, so I think a random one, but I just wanted to shoot it for myself because yeah, I just wanted to obviously I wanted to shoot it from YouTube, but then it's a kind of memory which will always stay with me. I'll share with my classmates also. So yes, it's very overwhelming, like very overwhelming that I'm getting this done with all my things. Now I know that a lot of you guys will ask me how to publish a paper, how to write thesis and stuff. So yes, I am molding my channel into kind of educational and travel channel. Education, tech and travel, these will be the 3 categories. So I'll be telling you how to write a thesis, how to publish a paper in India, how to publish a paper in an international place. And if you want to read my published papers, you can check the description. I'll put the links to it, and you should also follow me on LinkedIn, guys. It's a very nice thing. You get jobs, internship, you get to know so many things about about the world, actually, the corporate world. What's going in Pepsi? What's going on with Bayer or something like big company? What's going on in Apple? So LinkedIn is amazing. I'll just put the link in the description. And as I always tell you, that if you have any personal question, you can DM me on my Instagram. The link will be in the description. And yes, that's it, guys. I'll meet you in the next one. Stay safe, stay happy, and bye bye.